Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Baseball 9. This will basically give you unlimited gems, coins, energy in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as unlock all items, unlimited gems, coins and energy, unlimited upgrade, free shopping and much more. The next step is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once you are on your device, make sure you already have Baseball 9 installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. The next step is simple. Open your favorite browser and follow me. The next step in the search bar, type is the Baseball 9. Like me, press install and that's it. Now, wait to finish this process. Once the process of loading is completed, Baseball 9++ will be installed in your mobile device. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.